I just need to make a couple knobs for my feather board, but you can see I already have these pre-cut. Again, these are out of the masonite. You can see how nice they look. Cut out 3.2 millimeters. This middle part's 5 millimeters thick plywood. I need a thicker one in the middle for the head of the bolt, and then these are the two end caps. Keyholes, so I just cut these out of masonite. The masonite's 3.2, but these holes right here for each cut, so that's 1/10 and 1/10. So the hole is at to get the proper hole size, I cut it at 3.0, and then when the laser cuts out, it's actually 3.2, and then the mortises will fill in. These are just on the bottom. There'll be the little end caps. They're just 1/4 inch bolts, 1 inch long, and let's go ahead and put them together. By Titebond, good glue. It dries faster, it's thicker, so I'm not going to get all the run out, and then it dries clear. So there's a whole multiple reasons why I want to try this out. So I'll try it out with these. Comes off way easier with a wet rag, way easier than the other glue. It doesn't, look at that. It's clean as a whistle. There's no squeeze out. There's no squeeze out. I'll put these on and come back and check them. There you go. Just throw some clamps on there. Let these dry up, and this stuff dries quick. It dries faster than a regular glue. Here you can take a look at them. They look good. That glue, you can see how clean they are. And they're done. The only thing, I may take them over on my router and try to route this edge off. Put a little round over. All right, let's just give them a quick sand. There you go.